Have you ever dreamed of going back in time to fix a mistake? Or jumping forward to see what the future holds? It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you that time travel isn't just a fantasy? Some of the most brilliant minds in history, including Albert Einstein, have shown us that time isn't as straightforward as we think. Today, we're diving into the mind-bending science that could one day unlock the secrets of time travel. First, let's talk about Einstein's theory of relativity. This is the bedrock of modern physics, and it completely changed our understanding of time. Einstein revealed that time and space are woven together into a single fabric called space-time. And here's the crazy part. Massive objects, like planets and stars, can actually warp this fabric. Imagine placing a heavy bowling ball on a trampoline. It creates a dip, right? That's what gravity does to space-time. This warping of space-time has a fascinating consequence called time dilation. The stronger the gravity, the slower time passes. This isn't just a theory. It's a proven fact. The GPS satellites orbiting Earth have to constantly adjust their clocks because time for them runs slightly faster than it does for us down here, on the surface where gravity is stronger. So, in a very real sense, astronauts are tiny time travelers, returning to Earth fractions of a second younger than they would have been otherwise. If we could find an object with incredibly strong gravity, like a black hole, the effect would be dramatic. If you could orbit a black hole without getting sucked in, time for you would slow down immensely compared to everyone back on Earth. When you returned, you might have aged only a few years, while decades or even centuries had passed for the rest of the world. Congratulations! You've just traveled into the future. But what about traveling to the past? That's where things get even weirder. The theory of relativity also allows for the possibility of wormholes, which are like shortcuts through space-time. Picture that trampoline again. If you could fold the trampoline in half and poke a hole through it, you could instantly travel from one point to another without crossing the distance in between. A wormhole, theoretically, could connect not just to different places in space, but to different points in time. Stepping through one end could land you in the distant past. Of course, creating and stabilizing a wormhole is a colossal challenge. We'd need something called exotic matter, a mysterious substance with negative energy density that would prop the wormhole open. We haven't found any yet, but physicists are actively exploring the possibility. Another mind-bending idea comes from the world of quantum mechanics. At the subatomic level, particles can seem to be in multiple places at once, a phenomenon called superposition. Some theories suggest that our universe is just one of many in a vast multiverse. If you could somehow jump from our timeline to another parallel universe, you could effectively visit a version of the past or future that's different from our own. While building a time machine in your garage is still a long way off, the science is clear. Time is not a fixed, universal constant. It's a dynamic, flexible dimension of our reality. The laws of physics don't forbid time travel, they just make it incredibly difficult. Who knows what future discoveries will bring? Perhaps one day, we'll look back at this moment from a different point in time. What do you think? Is time travel possible? Let me know your theories in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey through space-time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending science. See you in the next one.